You are the passengers of a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Oh my God.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you.
Yeah, he's such a baby.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Would you like it?